Hello friends, it's Shara. Thanks for stopping by. I wanted to show you this box before I put it on the tripod because this baby is from Tammy at Paper City Dolls, and I am so excited that I wanted to show that off before I started the intro. So here is a little sticker she puts on there that says, "Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness." Yay! Okay, hold on, I'm gonna put you on the tripod. There is so much that I want to blurt out to all of you right now about so much that's going on, but I mostly just want to get this box opening done, and all of the other stuff can come later. I'm still sick. I am doing much better, but it's been pretty awful the last several days, and I'm just glad to be feeling like I can actually stand up right here and do this video. So I sold a baby just last week that was by Paper City Dolls, and it was a preemie, and I told you I just wasn't really interacting much with my preemies, and so I sold my Mick Asleep and I sold my Henley Sculpt, and the only preemie that I have besides my two silicones is Birdie, my elf Flynn, and he's an open-eyed little elf, and he has to be a preemie size because he's a little elf. So it's just like crazy ironic that the day after I sold Henley, which was done by Tammy at Paper City Dolls and had previously been owned by Linda at Birdie's Babies, Tammy puts this baby up for sale. And this is one of my all-time favorite sculpts and a preemie, Asleep, which I'm not really, wanting asleep babies right now. I have a couple, and mostly I'm into the open-eyed babies. So this is an Asleep preemie, and I had to have it because this baby was just like perfect. I love this sculpt and have just not ever, I don't see it that often. The only other one that I've ever considered on getting, and I didn't even really consider it because it was $2,000, was done by a Russian artist, but I wasn't going to pay $2,000 for a vinyl Reborn. But this version is even more beautiful, and I'm just so excited. So I got this package yesterday, but I just was so sick still. So I didn't open it, but I wasn't going to open it without a video because this is an important artist. She is wonderful as an artist, as a human, as a friend, and so I had to do a video. And like I said, I was able to eat something today. I'm standing on my own 2 feet. So yeah, I'm doing much, much better. So let's get to it. I'm just so excited. This baby is so gorgeous. Okay. I know I'm yakking. My son went to Mexico. I actually had a turn of events on yesterday morning and was starting to feel a little better when I woke up. And he had planned with friends to go to Mexico. So I said, yeah, I'm doing fine. Go ahead and go. Oh, yesterday after he left was the worst day I've had of this. I even had EMS come out and check me out. I needed to make sure that everything was okay. And I didn't need to go to the hospital, but everything checked out. I was able to finally get some relief and slept for a little bit. So I think they're peaches or maybe kumquats. So pretty on a green and white gingham with bees. So pretty. So this is my first Paper City Dolls purchase directly from her. I've had other Paper City Dolls babies, but one I really loved and the mommy wanted it back, but I had bought her pre-loved. Okay, I'm gonna get everything out of the box and on the changing table. Hold on one second. So here is everything. I just want to get to baby, so I'm just going to briefly show you little outfits. So cute, just wrapped up so nicely. A little fish teether, a wooden fish with beads and crocheted beads in green, orange, and beige. So cute. I'm not going to open anything though. This looks like a little sleeper. Baby is a preemie size. So all the clothes are really little. And then this is, I heard Anne say this at Anne's Color of a Life, that she was sad for anyone that went to Savannah, Georgia for the Memorial Day weekend because it's cold there. Well, it's freezing here in San Diego. I am so cold. Cute little magnetic passy. One has moons and stars, which are totally my thing. I love it. This one looks like it might even glow in the dark. And then a really soft gray blue, kind of transparent. Very cute. Okay, and here is baby. So cute. Silicone beads and mustard yellow with the wood. It's a little teeny tiny silicone nipple. So cute. Okay, a gorgeous blanket. It's embossed. Oh, and it literally is so soft. Okay, baby's covered. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, look at this little outfit. That is darling. Little pants, little khaki color pants, and little tiny feet. Let's look at your gorgeous little feet. This baby is such a gorgeous sculpt. It's by Nikki Johnston. It's really one of my absolute favorite sculpts. I had one time that had painted hair. It was more of a budget baby, and not that there's anything wrong with budget babies, but it just wasn't the vision I wanted for the baby. Plus I had a friend who really wanted the baby, so I sold him. Oh my gosh, look at those little tiny feet. Gorgeous baby feet. Look at that painting. There is no one that paints like Tammy. Awesome. She is incredible. The details are just amazing. Look at that. You know how babies get the little red spots? Oh my gosh, it's perfect. It looks so realistic. Okay. Let's look. Baby's hands are very distinctive. This baby is a little angry and I love it. This baby is so adorable. So cute. It's got a little really soft cotton khaki and oatmeal striped jacket, a little oatmeal onesie. She has these biodegradable paper diapers. They say Believe. I think that's the brand is Believe. I know she announced that she was going to start using those as a way to help our environment. What's on his face? Okay, so the diaper is really cute. She puts paper. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see him. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, you are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have to hold him. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, your hair is so incredible. Oh, you are so tiny. Oh my hair. Incredible. He looks like one of Tammy's babies because she has gorgeous red hair. Look at the back. Look at this baby. Oh my gosh, he is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And look how angry or frustrated or hungry or just here. He doesn't know what he wants. Oh, Tammy, he is perfect. So absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh. Let's put you down, Betty. Let's let everyone look at you. Let's put your head up a little bit. Oh, his hair is just, it's so believable. He has lanugo on his face, like three-dimensional. It's not just painted, it's the actual applied. Oh my gosh. He has just gorgeous markings. So realistic. I wish the lighting was better today. It's not, it's really overcast again, but you can see he's absolutely gorgeous. His coloring's coming off well, but I just feel like it could be brighter. But oh my gosh, look at that hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look. It's Vincent by Nikki Johnston. He's number 111 of 400. So Paper City Dolls. And she does, oh, she put his name. I have named him Simon, which means heard by God. Heard by God? Something similar to that. It's perfect for this little guy because he's making sure that he's going to be heard. So she gives this beautiful birth certificate, and he was born on 5/23, and he's 4 pounds 5 ounces. His name is Simon. Look at that little sticker. How cute. It's a little piece of sushi. I'm pretty sure that's, yeah, it's little walking sushi. It's like a California roll. Tammy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, and then she sent a bamboo toothbrush for his hair. Never can have too many of these. She sent another diaper, cute little tiny one for him. Got little bears. Oh, and there is a card. Such amazing presentation. So caring and loving and eco-friendly. Just all of it. She is a really dear friend. I enjoy talking with her, and I love her art. Thank you. Oh, Shara, thank you for adoring my cuddly works of art. XOXO, Tammy Annette. Oh my gosh, is it Annette? No, yeah, it's Annette. I always say Arnett, and it's Tammy Annette. Annette. Tell me if I'm wrong, Tammy. I can't think straight. My head is a little foggy still, but at least I'm standing on my own 2 feet. I was so nauseous and dizzy. It was horrible. That is one of the most horrible feelings, to feel nauseous, or nauseated. Oh my gosh, it was terrible. But I'm good today, much better. I was able to eat. I slept a bit, so that helped. And I finally got to open this gorgeous boy. So welcome, Simon. So cute. I'm sorry if I may have babbled or didn't make sense. Like I said, I'm still not quite back 100%, but I wanted to come and open this gorgeous boy. The box was sitting here and I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait any longer. So I do have my silicone baby, my newborn size full body silicone girl, is in the mail, and she should be here Tuesday. And I have another surprise on Tuesday as well. Yes, I kind of shopped a little. I have gorgeous Simon and a couple more surprises. I'm going to go enjoy my little boy, cuddling him for as much as I can. And I'm so happy you all were here to see the box opening, because I didn't want to do that on my own. I really wanted to show him off. I hope everyone's having a wonderful holiday weekend if you're enjoying the 3-day weekend. And my son's coming back today, thank goodness, because I can muster up a little nibbles here and there, but if I get real hungry, he's gonna have to be home to cook for me. I don't want to be standing at the stove. So I'm doing okay though, and taking it easy. I have stuff to keep my electrolytes up and help with any nausea, and just taking it easy, watching videos, and trying to rest as much as possible. And hopefully we will be back on board next week, full steam ahead, because I'm on the countdown to leaving for New Zealand, and I have lots of things that I want to share with you, do with you, babies to show, and I can't be sick. I have to get over this. All right, everyone, take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. As always, we are sending you wishes of love and light, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, Tammy. He is absolutely gorgeous. Just perfect. He is such a sweetie, and he's just so ticked off. Bye-bye, friends.